Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic that can save you time and hassle. How to pay your American Express card at a bank branch. If you've got an Amex card and prefer handling payments in person, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First off, not every bank accepts American Express payments, so start by double-checking with your bank. Give them a quick call or check their website to confirm they can process it. This step avoids any surprises when you arrive. Once you're set, gather everything you need: your American Express card, a recent statement to verify your balance, a valid ID for security, and the cash or check for the exact amount you owe. This preparation makes the process smooth and efficient. Next, head to your nearest bank branch during regular business hours. If possible, go on a weekday when it's less crowded to speed things up. When you get there, join the line for the teller counter. At the counter, politely explain to the teller that you're there to make a payment on your American Express card. They'll ask for your card details and the payment amount. Hand over your cash, check, or even a debit from your bank account if they offer that option. The teller will process the payment on the spot, often transferring it directly to your Amex account. This usually happens instantly, but always ask for a receipt to confirm everything's been recorded correctly. And just like that, you're done. Paying at a branch is a reliable way to avoid online glitches or forgotten deadlines. Remember, while this method works well, it's always good to explore other options like online payments or autopay for convenience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. We're here to help. See you in the next video.